Hello again, math people. It is time once again for us to practice writing our numbers. Today we're going to do it a little differently though. You need a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon and make a tic-tac-toe board. Now a tic-tac-toe board is just 2 lines up and down and 2 lines across. Once you have your tic-tac-toe board, scramble up your numbers 0 through 10 and write them in the tic-tac-toe board. So I might put mine like this. Now I did not fill out the entire tic-tac-toe board because I don't want you to copy mine. Right now, take a minute. You might need to pause the video, but fill out your entire tic-tac-toe board. You will have 9 numbers written when you're done. All right. I will pool numbers, and it's your job to put a big X over the number if you have it on your board. The first person to get 3 across, 3 X's up and down, or 3 X's diagonal, wins. If you're playing by yourself, that's fine. Just play until you've got 3 across, 3 X's up and down, or 3 X's diagonally. If you have a 7 on your board, put a big X over it. 8. If you have an 8, put an X on it. 3. Put an X over your 3. 4. If you have a 4, put an X on it. 1. Did anybody get a tic-tac-toe yet? We'll keep playing. 2. 9. 6. 5. 0. 10. That was all the numbers, so you've definitely got a tic-tac-toe by now. We will be learning 2 shapes today. You are so smart that I know you can handle 2 shapes today. First one looks like this. What do you notice about this shape? Well, I see straight edges, straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straight sides. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, 4 sides, and 4 corners. Do you notice anything else? Well, I see that every single edge, every side is the same length. Anyone know what this shape is? It is a square. Squares can be big, squares can be small. It doesn't matter. As long as it has 4 straight sides that are all the same length and 4 corners, it's a square. Now, I looked around my house and I found a couple things that were squares. You can take a second right now and look around your house or your classroom. See if you can find some squares. I found this little picture frame. That's a square. And I found this part of my phone charger. It's a square too. What did you find that was squares? Our second shape has a whole lot in common with our first shape. Here it is. It still has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. It still has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So it's a square, right? It is not a square. This is a rectangle. It looks like if we took a square and stretched it out. The top and the bottom are the same length, and the sides, the left and the right, are the same length. Here's another rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. The top and the bottom are the same. The left and the right are the same. It is a rectangle. Look around wherever you are. Do you see any rectangles? I found a couple. I found this ruler. The left and right sides are the same length. The top and the bottom are the same length. That's how I know it's a rectangle, not a square. Most books are rectangles too. What did you find? I'm going to draw, because I love to draw, some shapes, and it is your job to tell me if it is a square or a rectangle. What's this one, a square or a rectangle? It's got 4 straight sides. It's got 4 corners. But look, the top and bottom are short, and the left and right are long. This means it is a rectangle. And I will put R for rectangle in it. How about this one? Square or rectangle? It's another rectangle. This time the top and the bottom were the long sides, and the left and right were the short sides. It doesn't matter. It is still a rectangle. How about this one? Square or rectangle? Well, this time all 4 sides are the same length, so it's got to be a square. S for square. What if I had a shape that looked like this? Is that a square or a rectangle? Something's not right. 1, 2, 3 sides. It's not a square or a rectangle. They both have 4 sides. This is just a thing. I don't know what this is. It is not a square or a rectangle. Did you catch it? I tried to trick you. All right. One more thing. I'm going to draw a picture using squares and rectangles. If you have paper and a pencil or a crayon, you can draw along with me. If not, you can just watch and try to guess what I'm drawing. No guesses yet. Doesn't look like anything yet. It's starting to look like something now. I drew a very silly robot. Could you guess? Maybe not from this one, yikes. All right, make sure you do your assignment on Seesaw, and I'll see you later.